Hey YouTube, I'm back again. Today we're going to be talking about garbage. You know, everyone's probably got it, and we're not talking about baggage, we're talking about garbage. Well, they're both pretty closely related. Just kidding, no, actually they're not. But recycling. Yes, you can save yourself quite a bit of money by recycling the things that you decide to purchase every day. So if you are a big soda drinker, which, drinking soda probably isn't good for your health, but if you decide to drink a lot of soda, you can turn those cans back in and get your deposit back. Another one is one man's trash is another man's treasure. Sometimes you can come across some weird finds next to garbage places that could be maybe something that you might actually like, and it's totally free. A good option for you if you're a really thrifty person, or if you're looking to maybe make money off of somebody's trash, is to go out and check Craigslist and see for free stuff. A lot of times they'll have stuff on there that are very interesting. Sometimes it's bookshelves that you can have refurbished or whatever. You can make an actual business out of somebody's garbage, which is really funny, but it's true. This comes into my next talk that I wanted to talk about is the DIY of garbage. A lot of people, they'll pay for somebody to come and pick up their garbage for them because they just don't want to handle it. They don't want to deal with the mess, and that's totally understandable. But you could also go and take the garbage to, the landfill or wherever yourself and probably save yourself quite a bit of money. I know that really sucks and it's a hassle, but if that's something you need to do to get ahead and maybe save yourself some extra money, why not do it? That's part of this channel. The channel is to basically, balance the budget, get ahead, save as much as you can. And then once we get to that furthest point, when we finally finish through all the steps that I talk about, we'll talk about actually how to make some serious money or start getting yourself involved with making money or letting your money make money for you. So thank you very much. Like if you like the video, dislike if you dislike the video, and subscribe if you really like the video. Hope to see you guys again here pretty soon. See you next episode. Thank you very much.